This video is about adapting lenses to the Fujifilm x-h1. This is video 4 of a 4-part series where I'll be testing out how well the lens, the adapter, and the camera body communicate with one another in a non-scientific way for the purposes of learning and to consider whether adapting lenses to the Fujifilm x-h1 is something I want to do for future projects. So if you are using a Fujifilm camera, this video applies to you. There may be some differences in performance and quality when using newer or older Fuji cameras, or any camera for that matter, so keep that in mind. First thing first, I did not like the way the audio came out in the videos that I shot, so I'm just gonna do some voiceover as we roll over the B-roll or the talking headshots that I did try to get. I'll roll the footage and I'll give you, I guess, a voiceover of what I said. So here we are in downtown Chicago, taking in the sights and testing out camera gear. I chose this location so we can see how well the Fujifilm x-h1, the fringe adapter, and the Canon 16-35 f4 works together in this location where there's a lot happening and the light is natural and uncontrolled. Similar to part 2 of this 4-part series, we wanted to keep a lookout for how the autofocus is performing, the shallow depth of field, and maybe the battery life. Make sure there is no hunting, which you can check out at the edges of the screen. That was my voiceover attempt for this video. Let me know how I did below with that voiceover and if you would like to see more of that. What else is there to say? Oh yeah, you can check out the first 3 videos in this playlist right here. That is it for today. I want to thank you for stopping in. And in that 5th bonus video, you'll find out whether I'm going to use the fringe adapter and the Canon 16-35 with the Fujifilm x-h1 for future projects. I think it's going to be a good one. I'll see you there.